Yeah, this is the thing. This is the thing. This literally just happened. The lights went kind of wonky for a couple seconds. Something happened to the sawmill to make it shut down. And then come to find out it was this. Yeah. Every other day, it's something with the sawmill. Something with the sawmill. It's ridiculous. They work for 4 hours and then something's wrong and then they shut down for the day. Then they work on like 10 hours on a Saturday for no reason. This is literally across from my house. I have been trying to have my folks move out of this area since we got here. This was in the 90s. We thought when the other people left, it was done and over with. But no, new people had to buy it, and things are getting worse. It just gets worse. This is ridiculous. This is moronic. This is pathetic. I have had enough. Either shut down this place once and for all, or help me find a new place to live. Because this is getting intolerable. I've been having sleep issues because of this damn place. I've been annoyed and then some because of things. And a lot of it is this place. And the fact that they function like, I would say, less than a football field away from me. That's how bad this is. I'm no longer asking, I'm demanding. Either shut this place down, or force these people to buy my family a new place to live. Because enough is enough!